Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my monthly project share. Yay, glad to be back in the collab, and I will post my previous videos that I missed for those 2 months where my computer was having issues and I was offline. Anyway, so this month, November, for the Gorjuss and Pure Innocence Collab with Poetspice 2019, we were tasked with making a project related to blessings and snow people. So I really didn't have any, had a snow theme. I did 2 little small stamps that had my Gorjuss girl, the winter, which I used already early in the year. So I'll try to do something a little different. But anyway, I'm gonna use a different stamp because I'm trying to use as many different ones as I can. So I ended up using one of my larger ones instead of one of my minis, and I used this one. And in fact, this is one of the first ones I got. And this one, what's the name of it? Reuse and recycle. No, that's not the name of it. That's the tag. The Hatter. I was looking at that. This is called the Hatter. Of course, like Alice in Wonderland, I guess. Anyway, so I used this stamp set, and I used this Product Studios Bless die, since the word was blessings this month, and I just made a tag, and instead of using my tag board or using my Cricut, I just ended up using my angle punch, the large angle punch, to make my tag. Very simple, 110 pound, and I just made a tag, and this one is called Blessed. So I used a whole roll of washi tape, which was the Recollections brand, and I just alternated those. And this is what I put. So I just layered the washi. I cut her out. First I cut her out, and I colored her with my Spectrum Noir markers. Hole punch, my little Dollar Tree hole puncher, and just added some ribbon here and some tulle, and layered with the shadow in gold, some pink. The word blessed, and you know I'm not a pink girl, but I did this whole project kind of in pink, trying to think outside the box. But I think she turned out really cute. So, and she's a 3.5 by 6 inch tag. So. Or 6.5, 3.5 by 6.5 inch tag. So that is my project share for the month. So please check out the ladies below. They will inspire you. Join their channels, follow them to create something as well, to pull out some of your Gorjuss girl and your Pure Innocence stamps to make a project. So watch them, check them out, show them love and support, and guess what? I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.